Alright, alright, alright. Today's Saturday. Storm's supposed to be coming. I actually preached right here. A bunch of branches on the floor. Over there. Limbs are falling off the tree. But waves are pretty much up. Hasn't really rained. Wind's picking up. Let's see if I can get the waves out there. Not too bad right now. A bunch of surfers over there. Oh, Dino under the bathroom. Yeah, it's pretty windy now. These trees are blowing, making a mess. Come out here tomorrow, just in case. If it rains too bad or whatever, then I won't. But I already got my truck. Where's my truck? Truck park right there. Sailboat out there. Last night, if you've seen that video last night, something happened over there. They had this street right here. So right now, it's just real windy. I don't know if you can hear the wind. But